Step into a world of moist, flavorful bliss and leave dry snowballs behind. Hello, Sanbonani, and welcome. My name is Sibo. Let's begin. In a pan, boil water, milk, and oil. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the milk boils, remove it from the heat and cool it off. I had to warm the eggs even though they were not in the fridge because it's winter this side. In a bowl, mix the eggs with sugar. Beat them until they are light and fluffy. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and measurements. Once the ribbons form like this, add the vanilla essence and the vinegar and mix. Mix for 10 seconds. From here, put away the mixer. Gradually sift in the flour and the baking powder. Fold with a spatula, gradually adding the milk mixture. Please support me by not skipping the ads. Just run them whilst you go and have some water or tea. Mix all the ingredients until they are all done. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell if you are new or you are a regular visitor. It is free to subscribe. I hope you will love it here. What are your favorite coconut cakes? Snowballs or lamingtons? Please tell me in the comment section below. The batter is ready. Grease the cupcake pan with butter or use the cupcake liners. I am using an ice cream scoop, about 2 of them, to fill each pan hole. If you don't have a cupcake pan, you can use a square or a rectangular pan to bake them. It will do good as well. Tap the pan and bake them between 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile they are baking, let's make a syrup. In a pan on medium heat, mix water, sugar and jam. You may use any jam you have. Here I have mixed jam. You may even use apricot or jelly. I mean red jelly. Add the red food colorant. Mix with a fork or a whisk. This is the one I used from Pick n Pay. Once it boils, simmer for 3 to 4 minutes, take it off and cool it. Once they are baked, cool them for 10 minutes before you take them out of the baking pan. Remove the liners from those that had paper liners. Pour the syrup into one bowl. The fine desiccated coconut in another bowl. Dip each cake piece into the jam for a few seconds, then into the coconut and cover it entirely. Use one hand for the syrup, another for the coconut. I find this method not too messy. You may also wear gloves if you do not want your hands to be dyed. I would like to appreciate my returning subscribers, my Easy family. Thank you so much for your loyal support. Look at how moist they are. Please press the like button and leave your comment below. I would appreciate that. You may serve them as they are or serve them with cream. I hope you will enjoy the snowballs or the red cakes. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.